another video. We back on these roads, man. Headed out to the mall. Quick little drive on the way there. Yes, sir. Man, them downshifts go crazy. I would skirt off, but the car's still warming up somewhat. Sheesh, man. Sheesh, man. Another beautiful day in the California area, man. It's about 90 right now, so temperatures are definitely on the hotter side right now. We dealing with it though. We still blessed to have this weather though. It's already October, so there's an area right here, super nice with the trees right here. We got a Tesla in front of us, man. They need to get out the way, man. Get out the way. You got a real single turbo back here. I know they hear me. Damn, now they're going extra slow. They're trying to fish me off. Tesla was going a little too slow for me. I had to get him out the way. We got places to go, man. Tesla was on a Sunday drive. It is Sunday, but damn. Don't be actually driving slow on a Sunday. People got places to go. I don't know what they was doing. Always got some good scenery over here. That never gets old. Just play around with the throttle. Ooh, got an old school. Look like an old Bel Air. Ooh, they got a C8 right here too. All the cars out today. It's Sunday, so you know the boys come out to play on a Sunday. We should see some more cars on the way there, so that's just a couple as we see right now. Long straightaways over here, but they're not the straightest roads, so, or when I say straightest, I mean the smoothest roads. A lot of potholes, a lot of bumps come out of nowhere, so can't just be smashing on it all the time. Kind of have to pick and choose. But besides all that, man, I can't get enough of this weather, man. This weather's crazy, man. Super nice day. Couldn't ask for a better day. It's a little hot, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. We still got a little traffic in front of us, but we're gonna get past this one car. We just got one car in front of us, so that's not too bad. It's not too bad. We got only one car in front of us. We're gonna have to get in front of, oh, we got a stoplight. We're gonna have to smash off at the stoplight. Hold on. Smash off at the stoplight. Down shit. Down shit. I see a passing lane. Don't mind if I do. Got some horses. Got some horses in front. Oh, what the heck, man? Got some horses. Say what's up to the horses. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Ooh, it sounds nice next to the... They want to hear the turbo too. I got you. I got you. Ooh, they wanted to hear the turbo too. I promise they wanted to hear the turbo. Damn. And we did all that while the air conditioning is still running, so we kind of messed up on that part. I'm not gonna lie about that one. I think we turn right here. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I think it's one more. Yeah, it's one. Skirt off, skirt off. Got some brand new homes over here. They're still doing some construction over here. But we're almost to the mall right now. Gotta pick up a couple things. Show y'all. I might grab a couple things. Mostly just looking around, chilling. Grab some lunch too, or dinner, say early dinner. Radar's going crazy, I don't know why. But nice day. These roads over here are a lot smoother, so you can kind of have a little bit of fun over here. Some parking. It wasn't the easiest, but found some parking. You know you got a good car when you keep looking back at it. Yep, gonna do some shopping. We're at the outlets right now. Probably gonna run inside Nike and a couple other stores. Shopping for a couple things, so let's see what we get into. Package secured. Got 2 pairs of pants. That's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Hit a thumbs up on this video if you guys like this kind of content, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.